What is the main difference between sales and marketing? Sales and marketing are two fundamental aspects of any business. While they share a common goal, to grow revenue and ensure business success, they differ significantly in their approaches, objectives, and roles in the customer journey. Understanding the distinctions between these functions is crucial for businesses looking to align their strategies, enhance productivity, and achieve sustainable growth. Read on as we explore the primary differences between sales and marketing, the unique roles each plays in a business, and why understanding these differences is essential for success. What is marketing? Marketing creates awareness about a product or service, attracts potential customers, and builds long-term relationships. It involves various activities to understand consumer needs, promote the brand, and deliver value over time. Core functions of marketing. Brand awareness, building recognition and reputation for the brand. Lead generation, attracting potential customers, leads, interested in the product or service. Market research, understanding customer preferences, industry trends, and competitive landscapes. Customer engagement, creating content, campaigns, and experiences that foster relationships. Positioning and messaging, crafting the brand's voice, values, and benefits to stand out in the market. Goals of marketing, attracting and retaining customers, creating a positive brand perception, driving traffic and generating qualified leads for the sales team. What is sales? Sales involve directly interacting with potential customers to convert leads into paying clients. It focuses on building personal relationships, addressing specific customer needs, and negotiating terms to finalize transactions. Core functions of sales customer interaction, engaging with leads or prospects through one-on-one communication. Closing deals, persuading potential customers to make a purchase. Relationship management, building trust with customers to encourage repeat business. Feedback collection, gathering customer input to refine sales strategies and inform marketing efforts. Goals of sales. Generating revenue through direct transactions, achieving short-term and long-term sales targets, providing personalized solutions to customer challenges. Key differences between sales and marketing. While sales and marketing work toward a shared objective, business growth, they differ in several ways. Below is a detailed breakdown of the differences. The interdependence of sales and marketing. While sales and marketing have distinct roles, their success often depends on how well they collaborate. Businesses that align their sales and marketing teams see improved performance and customer satisfaction. How marketing supports sales lead generation. Marketing provides the sales team with qualified leads, saving time and effort. Market insights. Research and analytics help the sales team understand customer behavior and needs. Brand trust. Marketing builds credibility and trust, making it easier for the sales team to close deals. How sales support marketing. Feedback loop. Sales teams provide first-hand customer insights that refine marketing strategies. Content validation. Feedback on marketing materials ensures they align with customer pain points. Cross-selling opportunities. Sales data can guide marketing in targeting existing customers for additional products or services. Challenges in sales and marketing alignment. Even though sales and marketing share common goals, misalignment can occur. Key challenges include communication gaps. Lack of regular team communication can lead to mismatched priorities. Disparate metrics. Sales and marketing may measure success differently, causing misunderstandings. Lead quality issues. Marketing may generate leads that sales deem unqualified, leading to friction. Tips for aligning sales and marketing. 1. Shared goals and KPIs. Set unified goals and metrics, such as revenue targets or lead conversion rates, to ensure both teams work toward the same outcomes. 2. Regular communication. Encourage frequent meetings and updates between sales and marketing to share insights and coordinate strategies. 3. Use technology leverage CRM and marketing automation tools to streamline processes and provide both teams with access to real-time data. 4. Customer-centric focus. Both teams should prioritize the customer's needs and experiences, ensuring a seamless journey from awareness to purchase. Sales and marketing are two sides of the same coin, each playing a vital role in a business's success. While marketing focuses on creating awareness, attracting leads, and building long-term relationships, sales takes a more direct approach, engaging with prospects to close deals and generate revenue. Understanding the differences between these functions is essential for aligning strategies, fostering collaboration, and enhancing the customer experience. By bridging the gap between sales and marketing, businesses can drive growth, optimize resources, and deliver lasting value to their customers. Find out more about how Mondoro can help you create, develop, and manufacture excellent home decor and home furniture with fair trade and ethical sourcing in mind. Don't hesitate to contact me, Anita, at sales@mondoro.com.